Go, go, keep going. We got lightning number 2 here. We got it unloaded, and we just got the transmission out of the Harley. So next step is going to be rolling the Harley back to the edge of the driveway or edge of the garage. So we have room here to put the engine hoist, and then we'll be pulling the motor. We're really close on pulling the motor. We just need to drop the AC compressor and then just double check all the brackets and harnesses and all that. But we're in good shape back here, and we're gonna roll the Harley on the back axle, and then I've got a floor jack under the front so we can support the front, and we're just gonna roll straight back, and we're gonna do that right now. Only thing that's different was the crane. Yeah, that's so easy. I can't see the blocks in the back on your side, so
yeah, I'm watching. Going a little off to the right, a little, but not bad.
Okay. Hold. Yeah. Okay, I can see. Okay.
That's one hell of a fucking jack. That's all I'm saying. I'm just giving it a little push.
Close.
Tons of room.
Alright, that ought to be it.
Alright.
So I'm gonna go grab the parking brake.
One more room. Yeah. For activities. Probably just get this a bit short.
Alright, well, we got a lot more space over here, so we can get the engine out. And the plan is we're going to pull the engine out of this truck, and we're literally just going to roll it right through the driveway, out into the driveway, and dump it into the Lightning. At least that's the plan. There may be a couple things we need to transfer over, and move this stuff out of the way, but that's the plan. Is literally just come right through here, straight into the truck. That way we don't have to figure out how to set it down and deal with that. So last thing before we call it a night, we're going to pull the Harley back into the garage so we can get the garage door shut.